Understanding Critical Infrastructure Requirements. This part of the course explores the various aspects of critical infrastructure requirements and how they can be effectively managed. Critical infrastructure refers to the systems and assets that are essential for the functioning of a society and economy. These include sectors such as energy, transportation, communications, water, and government services. Understanding the requirements for critical infrastructure is crucial for ensuring their uninterrupted operation and the overall resilience of a society. In this part of the course, we will explore the various aspects of critical infrastructure requirements and how they can be effectively managed. The first step in understanding critical infrastructure requirements is to identify the key assets within each sector. These assets may include power plants, transmission lines, airports, seaports, telecommunication networks, water treatment plants, and government buildings. It is important to determine the criticality of each asset based on its impact on public safety, the economy, and national security. Once the key assets have been identified, a comprehensive risk assessment should be conducted. This involves identifying and evaluating potential threats, vulnerabilities, and consequences associated with each asset. Threats can include natural disasters, terrorism, cyber attacks, and pandemics. Vulnerabilities refer to weaknesses that make the asset susceptible to these threats. Consequences are the impacts that can arise if these assets are compromised. Based on the risk assessment, performance goals should be established for each critical infrastructure sector. These goals define the desired level of performance in terms of availability, reliability, resilience, and robustness. For example, the energy sector may establish a goal of providing uninterrupted power supply to customers during extreme weather events. Once the performance goals are defined, plans and procedures should be developed to achieve them. These plans should address different scenarios, such as emergency response, business continuity, asset protection, and recovery strategies. They should outline the roles and responsibilities of various stakeholders and provide guidelines for decision-making during critical incidents. Protective measures are crucial in preventing and mitigating the impact of potential threats on critical infrastructure. These measures can include physical security enhancements, cybersecurity controls, backup systems, redundancy, and disaster recovery plans. It is important to regularly assess the effectiveness of these measures and make necessary adjustments. Resilience refers to the ability of critical infrastructure to withstand and rapidly recover from disruptive events. Enhancing resilience involves improving infrastructure design, employing advanced technologies, diversifying energy sources, establishing redundant systems, and fostering collaboration among stakeholders. It also includes conducting regular training and exercises to test the preparedness and response capabilities. Critical infrastructure sectors are subject to various regulations and standards to ensure their safety and security. It is important for organizations to stay updated with these requirements and ensure compliance. This may involve conducting regular audits, risk assessments, and implementing necessary controls to address any gaps or deficiencies. Collaboration between the public and private sectors is essential for effectively managing critical infrastructure requirements. Public-private partnerships can help leverage expertise, resources, and information sharing to enhance the security and resilience of critical assets. Government agencies, industry associations, and private organizations should work together to develop and implement best practices. In conclusion, understanding critical infrastructure requirements is vital for ensuring the resilience and reliability of essential systems and assets. By identifying key assets, conducting risk assessments, establishing performance goals, developing plans and procedures, implementing protective measures, enhancing resilience, ensuring regulatory compliance, and fostering public-private partnerships, organizations can effectively manage critical infrastructure requirements and mitigate potential risks.